At ASOHA, we will have workshops in Tantra that will include chakra healing workshops, crown chakra healing workshops, anger release workshops, breathwork in Tantra workshops for awakening and releasing sexual repressed energy or opening up your sexual power, workshops for women, Tantra for women, um, and opening up your circuit, your Kundalini flow, helping to release any trauma that's trapped in the body. And these are all going to be interactive. We're going to be doing this online. This is going to be a Zoom meeting. This is an online community. We will also be posting in-person gatherings, but this here is for online sessions. And I look forward to teaching you, being your teacher, being your facilitator, and helping you to open your heart.